indoor water filter is better or outdoor water filter is better?
Exactly.
Yes.
So today I have a quick question for you guys as a opening. Okay. So do you guys have indoor water filter? Actually, I know one person don't have indoor water filter, which is Tan.
Ah, hey Jay, today you're wrong, okay? Because I have indoor water filter.
Oh.
Yes, you know why? Because I know that drinking must be clean because it's for my health.
So can you show us what is your indoor water filter looks like?
Okay, have a look. This is my indoor water filter.
Alamak.
What
Tan.
happened? I've been using it for many years.
This is very old tech, you know.
So, what you have?
I have I show you guys. So I have here with me
Okay.
is a penguin water filter.
Okay, it looks very cute, but will it work or not?
Sure lah. I'm gonna show you guys and show you also. How do you wash this?
I don't wash. I just use straw and replace. I'm lazy, you know.
But there's miserable question whether can wash or cannot wash. So I'm gonna show you guys and I'll show you also.
All right, show me how to wash.
Okay. So first we're gonna open this casing.
Okay.
And what do we have here? We have actually a PPF filter. So this is a single filter. Okay. I'm gonna show you how to wash.
How to clean?
So
it's
first,
very dirty, you know.
actually it's impossible to wash.
Yeah,
because
can you brush it?
This you cannot brush it. This is very difficult to wash. Okay, this is PPF. So basically, even if you can wash the outer part, maybe you cannot wash the inner part.
Yeah.
So this is very troublesome and difficult. Okay, this is called the traditional PPF filter. So I have here number one. See, this is a ceramic filter. My one confirm can wash.
Wow, it's as dirty as my one.
Correct. So how you gonna wash this ceramic filter?
How do you clean this?
Okay, I have with myself a Nesh brush.
Oh, you have a brush.
Yes. So just turn on the water.
Yeah, why not?
Okay. Can you see?
Okay, can you guys see?
Can you see? So you can wash. So now I'm gonna show you what's the difference between this PPF and this ceramic filter. We have a 2-layer for this Nesh ceramic filter. Okay. So inside has another layer of carbon. Okay. So easily one filter has 2 layers already. So which actually beats your this one.
Yeah, I think so. So that means it can clean very effectively.
Of course, because PPF is a very normal one, and a ceramic has a better performance and more effective. Nesh has 2 international invention award from USA and Geneva.
Yeah.
And also has 2 technology first in the world to combine live water and also ozonation together. Has 4 function, 3 filter, and 12 layer of filtration.
Wow. My one only have 1 function. That is to filter water.
Since you've been using this one, do
do
you also boil water?
Of course. If don't boil, how to drink? Wow, wait. You haven't boiled the water.
Wow, shock. This one can drink directly. Why?
Are you sure?
Of course.
Why?
Because this is Nesh patented product. So it has 3 filter, 12 layer of filtration. So enough and sufficient to drink directly without boiling. So one house actually, you can see on the screen.
All right.
You need both indoor and outdoor filter. Okay. So they both serve a very different purposes and different function. Okay. Right. Like for example, indoor is what? For direct drinking and also for your health. Okay. Protect your immune system. For outdoor, it actually protect your house. Here are some of the issues. For example, if you do not have outdoor filter, I believe some of you may even have encountered this issue. First, you can see there's a water tank. Okay. So no outdoor filter. First affected will be water tank. Can you see?
Oh yeah, it's so dirty.
Correct, exactly. Okay, up next is your washing machine.
Washing machine?
Yes, washing machine. Also will become very dirty.
Oh yeah. I think sometimes I can see on my white clothes, after wash, I have these yellow patches.
Exactly.
Especially after water disruption.
Correct.
Yes.
That's a huge problem.
Yeah.
And also what happened to your toilet? You can see the water tank also get clogged.
Wow, that's very dirty.
What else you have is the clogged piping.
Clog means blockage?
Yes, sangkut.
Oh.
Can you see a new piping and also a clogged piping? Okay.
So that means after a long time, that means the water flow will become small?
Yes,
right?
yes. Especially you have been staying in your house for 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. You never have outdoor water filter.
Okay.
Perhaps that is also the reason why you suddenly feel, hey, how come the water becomes slower and slower? This is the main reason.
Oh, okay.
And the last one will show you if what happened, you completely block, completely clog, okay? You have to re-piping the entire house.
Wow. I think it's money out again, because when you want to re-piping and not just one pipe, you have so many pipes in your house. So anything that you have to recommend to solve these issues?
I have this Long Zhong introduced Nesh membrane queen.
Wow, this look nice, huh?
Nice,
Okay.
Okay, this is also fully patented by Nesh.
Patented also?
Correct.
Wow, Nesh product is good, huh?
Yes.
Patented.
Yes, exactly. So from here, okay, you guys can see, I have a screen for you. You can see all sorts of property can be installed. For example, terrace house, Samadhi, bungalow, hotel, and even factory also can use this membrane queen.
Sure, so many properties. But I think this is compact and not very big,
Whether this works for 5-story or not. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys and you will see yourself what's the difference. I have a filter A.
Okay, it's filter A.
Yes, and I have filter B.
Okay.
Okay, so this filter B is actually Nesh membrane queen filter and it's also patented. Okay, Tan.
Yeah.
Quick question for you. What can you see? I give you one hint. The hole. Something to do with the hole.
Okay. This one have bigger hole. This one has smaller hole. But then this one like full of holes.
Exactly. Nesh membrane queen actually has 400 holes.
400 holes?
Exactly.
Wow.
And this one,
how many holes here?
X brand, okay? So have only 20 holes. Maybe sometimes less or maybe slightly more. So let's put it about 20 holes.
Okay, so 20 compared to 400.
Yes. So what is the difference is, if there's incoming water going in here, here coming out water, which one will be faster? Common sense.
More holes.
Exactly. So now, I'm gonna show you something slightly different. Let's put this on the side.
Okay.
Can you guys see? Okay. So this is other brand, for example.
Okay. This is other brand.
This will be a similar to filter A.
Oh, that means this one is this one?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have is this one. Can you guys see on the screen here?
Okay, so this one means it's the black one.
Yes,
so this
correct.
Is the these two. Okay?
Yes.
This is what we're going to compare.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now you put this aside.
This aside.
Now what we're gonna do here?
Okay, what we're gonna do?
Okay. I want you to hold one bottle. I'm gonna hold one bottle. So at the same time, we're gonna flip this. Okay. To show you what happened a 400 hole compared with a 20 hole. Which will come out faster.
So I'm going to flip it this way?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's see. Wow. Okay, I think this one less hole.
Correct? It's very obvious.
Yeah, I think this one is faster.
Yes.
Because the water is going down.
Yes.
Okay.
So we're going to see which will finish
this one
first.
Is not half yet.
Okay. It's very obvious that the Nesh water come out first and also finish first.
Yes, definitely. Wow, can you guys see?
Yes, so this is the difference.
This one's going to finish.
Finish already.
So this one is still a long way to go.
This will unfold to you what is the difference and how clean you expect from a Nesh membrane queen. So this is a chart system. Okay. So this chart system, I'm going to let you know. That Nesh membrane actually is standing on 0.01 micron.
0.01 micron.
Any idea what is micron? No idea. Okay, a traditional sand filter will basically stand on 10 to 11 micron. That is how small, how fine it can filter. Okay. So a 10 micron compared with a 0.01 micron, can you imagine how big?
A lot different. I can imagine a lot different.
That is 1,000 different.
1,000 times.
1,000 times.
Wow. It's how.
Yeah,
how much?
It's how. So I'm gonna show you. So guys, please take note here. Pull. How well you can see? Okay. Can you see this 10 micron? What can you see? It filter done.
Also, that means before that, it can filter.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Human hair?
Yes. Can you think of human hair is very thin?
10 micron is around our hair?
Yes, exactly.
Wow. So 10 micron is about the size of our hair, okay?
Yes. So now I'm going to show you what is 0.01 micron looks like.
Okay, so sand filter, just now you say sand filter is 10
between
microns.
This line.
Okay, so that means it can filter human hair.
Yes.
Wow.
So Tan, please pull some more.
I'll pull some more, okay? I have one here.
Okay, you have 0.1.
0.1.
0.1, some more slightly.
Okay, let me see.
Yes, okay.
0.01.
Now, this is 0.01. Tan.
You remember it?
Yes.
Okay.
Can you see what's the big difference or not?
Well, I can a lot of things, huh? Wow, bacteria?
Yes.
Wow, can you guys see bacteria?
Membrane can filter bacteria. Okay,
So,
what else you have?
Virus?
Yes, virus.
Wow.
So it can also filter virus.
That means Nesh membrane queen can filter virus too.
Correct.
Wow.
Virus and bacteria, that's very important. So basically everything here, the white color one, all can filter.
Okay. How about the green one? What's the green one?
Mineral. Mineral, 0.01 never filter.
So it remains in the water?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, because I know that our body needs some minerals.
Correct. Okay. So this is basically, as you can see, 0.01 will be very, very clean. Can you separate this into one clean water and one ink water?
I don't think so you can, right? Unless you have magic, how you want to split the ink and the clean water out?
Exactly. So right now, it's our Nesh demo part, which I will unfold to you magics and wonders. A real life demo, okay? So no tricks, okay? All is real deal, okay? So now, Tan, what do we have here?
Muddy water, dirty water, murky water, anything is dirty,
yes,
okay?
This is completely dirty water.
Yeah.
So, you are not convinced? What I'm going to show you guys and also Tan, that I will mix this dirty water, go right into the Nesh membrane queen and split into clean water and dirty water at the same time. Tan, don't blink eye. Those of you also don't blink your eye. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow, wow, wow. Do you want to turn it off? Wow, it's all coming out.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I leave this?
Yes, you leave this.
Okay. Wow. Can you guys see?
See.
Wow, I can see all the dirt inside.
Crystal clear water. And this is all the dirty one. So we actually managed to differ this very, very dirty gao water into pure clean water.
Yes.
And also partial dirty water. You cannot have just outdoor filter or just indoor filter because they work together. An indoor system is to protect your immune system, give you crystal clear, drinkable water. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And also for outdoor, it's your daily use. You used to cook. Okay. You used to wash your clothes. Okay. You go toilet also, you need to use water. So you protect your water tank, your piping, your washing, mixing, everything. Okay?
Yes, it's very important.
Correct.
Especially after over the time, maybe 5, 10, 20 years, you know.
Correct. The piping. Okay.
Wow, you really have a villa
photo? This is a very big, double the size of a 5-story house. Can you imagine this Nesh membrane queen can support such a big house?
Wow.